wanted to show you guys the Frozen castle that I purchased for my daughter. My little one is really into Frozen right now. She loves the movies, and I think this is just a really fun toy to give them. It is very big. You can see my ruler to the left. It is like a couple times that. So let's see, this is 12 inches. So it goes at least double, if not even bigger for the top. So it's a nice size. It comes with different accessories for them. It's really cute. I love all the colors. It has Olaf over here that you can put down and then spin, as well as a bed over here for them to play with and then tuck away if you need to for storage. You can see the different crystal light, and this is what it looks like from this side. Again, if you have a kid that's like really into Frozen, and just want to have something that's like more imaginative play, I definitely recommend this.